Hey, welcome back to Cooking with Uncle Tony. This is my best assistant, my beautiful niece Anna Marie. Today we're going to make roasted peppers, eggplant balls, and this is all the ingredients we're going to need today to get this going. So let's get cooking. Eggplant first. We're going to cut the tip off. We're going to take the skin off also. And this is how you cut them. You don't want to cut them too small, you just want perfect size cubes. So when you boil this, it's going to turn into like a green chop meat. And while this boils, we're going to cover it. To roast these bad boys, you put the flames on high all around. And you put it all around the flame. We're doing red and yellow ones today. Watch how beautiful. This is going to be the bomb. I'm going to show you what I mean by that green, delicious meat it turns into. We use it to squeeze the water out of the eggplant. See all the water? Gotta get that water out of there. I'm gonna put a heavy can on top. Stay right there. Ah, that's gonna take all the water out. Especially I'm making today for my very dear friend who's doing a shout out right now to Miss Karen Bess. Not only is she my friend, she's the AP at the school I work, and this is what she wanted to learn how to make, and this is for you. And this is what they look like after you roast them on the stove. Right, Ann?
Yes.
Okay, because then what we're gonna do is you take the skin off like this, look. Nice, look. Place them nice in the pan. How nice. In unity, there's strength. Now that Anna Marie, myself, Kathleen Ray, and Josephine cut and shredded all these beautiful roasted peppers, I'm gonna slice some garlic. And there's no such thing as too much garlic. Little olive oil. Delicious Colavite extra virgin olive oil. You wanna get that garlic all the way down to the bottom. That a girl. Red and orange roasted peppers. Simple, right? Ah, now that our eggplant's nice and cool, see? It's like meat. Okay? We're gonna make like a regular meatball mix. So we're gonna put a cup of breadcrumb. Should be more than enough. Cup of grated cheese, fresh ground parsley and garlic. Quick, quicky, 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 quicky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, 3, 3, 4, 5. Right on top. Fresh ground pepper. Salt. A little bit. And to take it up a notch, we put some mozzarella. I'd say 2 eggs. Alright, maybe 3. Just get it, roll it, just like meatballs. You don't have to just pan fry these, you could also put them in the oven, I'd say on a cookie sheet like this, on top of a little parchment paper, a little pan, put these on and you could bake them. It's like a fried meatball, only it's with eggplant instead of chopping. Bestest niece I have in the whole world.
Yes, definitely. Do you love cooking me, Uncle Tony? Yes, I do.
Look at that. That's an eggplant meatball.
Oh my god.
Cheers. Buon appetito! Tell me, Uncle Tony puts an awful lot of salt. No, I don't.
And the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie. That's amore. When the world seems to shine like you've had too much wine. That's amore. When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie. That's amore. When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie. That's amore. When the world seems to shine like you've had too much wine. That's amore.